Lion. This is a lion. It lives in the forest. It hunts other animals. Elephant. This is an elephant. It lives in the forest. It eats plants. Tiger. This is a tiger. It lives in the jungle. It hunts animals. Deer. This is a deer. It lives in the forest. It eats grass. Bear. This is a bear. It lives in the forest. It eats plants and fish. Monkey. This is a monkey. It lives in trees. It eats fruits. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. It lives in the forest. It eats leaves. Zebra. This is a zebra. It lives on grasslands. It eats grass. Horse. This is a horse. It lives on farms. It eats grass. Cow. This is a cow. It lives on farms. It gives us milk. Goat. This is a goat. It lives on farms. It eats grass and leaves. Sheep. This is a sheep. It lives on farms. It gives us wool. Dog. This is a dog. It lives with humans. It guards our home. Cat. This is a cat. It lives in houses. It catches mice. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. It lives in burrows. It eats carrots. Fox. This is a fox. It lives in forests. It is very clever. Wolf. This is a wolf. It lives in forests. It hunts in groups. Camel. This is a camel. It lives in deserts. It stores water. Donkey. This is a donkey. It lives on farms. It carries loads. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. It lives on farms. It gives us milk. Hen. This is a hen. It lives on farms. It lays eggs. Duck. This is a duck. It lives near water. It can swim. Frog. This is a frog. It lives in water and land. It jumps. Fish. This is a fish. It lives in water. It can swim. Crocodile. This is a crocodile. It lives in rivers. It has sharp teeth. Snake. This is a snake. It lives in holes. It crawls. Turtle. This is a turtle. It lives in water. It has a hard shell. Lizard. This is a lizard. It lives on walls. It eats insects. Rat. This is a rat. It lives in holes. It has sharp teeth.